smartwatch under 50 bucks still give you all the features you want? I don't know, but this video will definitely answer the question for you today. What is up, RoySFord? So glad you're here with me today. Oh, look here, the sign, the essence of leadership. Okay, enough with that. I first of all have to thank you guys so much for hitting the subscribe button, but this video will tell you the value of this specific fitness tracker smartwatch thingamabob that's under 50 bucks. Let's take a look at it. It's called the Popglory Smartwatch. Here's a little picture of it right here, as you can see. I understandably was a little suspect at this thing, mainly because if you look here closely, the price of it, $29.99. Really, a smartwatch that is that cheap? What can it possibly do other than just keep time? I don't know. And so with that said, we get our own official smartwatch test pilot. There she is.
Hello.
Where's the smartwatch? Oh, well, there it is. It even glows a little bit. Look at that. So she's testing her smartwatch, but I figured she doesn't have a ton of expectations off of a smartwatch. There she goes. The expectations are really low for her. She's like, it needs to tell time, maybe check my heart rate, and keep track of my steps. Sure, all right, let's test it out. So I got on the old Amazon and we ordered it. That's right, the Popglory Smartwatch with all the features, including not only fitness tracking your steps, your exercises, heart rate, and all that sort of thing. It has a special feature of actually testing and tracking your blood pressure, which who knows if that's exactly right. So there it is on Amazon, ordered it, and it came in the mail. And so let's open the box. Popglory Smartwatch. This is a health tracker that, it's low cost, but it actually, we're gonna give it a test. I'm just gonna open it right here. See what we get out of the box here. In the box comes, oh, there we go. The watch itself, along with some directions, contact information in order to get a warranty, and then the user manual with really tiny fonts, really small. You'll get your magnifying glass out and you can check on that. That's small. Then you have just this regular thing that you do for the charger. It'll probably, oh, it's a little magnet. Okay, so it goes to the back of the watch, looks like. Okay, seems pretty simple. And then here's the watch. All right. Spin around, and the contacts and everything that are on the back of the watch. One button on this side. After using the actual charger that I provided for it, we connected it to the back, very simple, with these two little terminals on the back, and it's magnetized so it doesn't slip and fall all over the place. But it actually goes right in and charges it up, and the charge lasts for quite some time. I'm thinking something in the ballpark of 7 days. Mom tested it out, and I think she got till about 6 days and was on 10%. So then she charged it some more. So it works at least for 7 days, probably more. Now let's talk features. There are a ton of them on this little under $50 watch. Touch screen so that you can swipe. As you see here, I'm able to swipe through a lot of the different features. The main screen, in this particular mode, it tracks not only the time, but your steps, as well as your heart rate. All right there in those little bitty fine points right there. Then you can swipe through and actually see the exercise levels, which you can set, and you can take it through exercise as well as measure the blood pressure, measure your heart rate, and measure so many different things and keep track of your exercises all right there. Definitely not a bad deal for less than 50 bucks. What I like about this is, one, it does all the features. It kind of meets all the expectations of the owner, which you see the test pilot she enjoyed.
Hello.
Oh, well, there it is. But also the screen, you can adjust the brightness of it so that you can, make it a little brighter in case it's dark, or, make it a little darker in case it's too dark. The app that's recommended that you download in order to sync to your cell phone, in this case an Android, is right there. And yeah, it doesn't come with a whole bunch of features on it. As you see, I'm scrolling through here. You can measure your heart rate, you can measure your blood pressure, all right there from the phone. Also, you can track your exercises and everything all right there. A couple of things that it doesn't have, obviously, is the GPS connection, but I think you would definitely want to spend a little bit more money if you wanted that feature. So the question here is it really worth it? I say yes. Spend under 50 bucks, get all the features plus more, including messaging, including a timer, including text messages relayed right there on your wrist. When someone calls you, it actually rings on your phone, vibrates. Not only that, you can track your steps, you can track your heart rate, you can track your oxygen levels, as well as many other different features that come with this smartwatch. Definitely not bad for under 50 bucks. Anyway, I'll leave a link for you down below so you can go and check it out. Plenty of pictures here for you to see, obviously. Let me know what you think when you actually do test it out. That would be great. Make sure you